requires that the data is grouped into a frequency distribution and then displayed using the histogram. So you set sizes between two values, and then you record the frequency that the item falls into those values. So that becomes group data. And then you can chart that using what's called a histogram. Okay. An alternative method of displaying group data is to use what's called a frequency polygon. So it's like making the dots at each mid-class value. So you find the value in the middle of the class, and then you plot a frequency on the mid-class values as seen in that diagram there. So there's a couple of examples of how you can show statistical data. Excuse me. Mean, median, and mode for ungrouped data. Okay. We can have an arithmetic mean for a set of data. Is found by adding together all the values in the set and then dividing that by the number of members in the set. So if we have the set 4, 5, 6, 9, we add the top line of the fraction together, divide by the fact that we got 4 numbers in the group, and we get the answer 6. We can write that in general terms. Now, the statistical designation for the arithmetic mean is that little x bar, the x with the bar across the top, and that's equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3. So they're the individual values. These are the individual values in the set, like these, and there can be any number of them up to x to the n. Another way of writing that is using this symbol here. That means the sum of all the values of x. And then afterwards, that's divided by the number in the set to give us the arithmetic mean. So x bar is the arithmetic mean. This symbol here is the Greek letter sigma, and it means the sum of the data in the set. Okay. Everybody okay with that? And that's pretty much GCSE statistics anyway, to find the arithmetic mean, or whatever you call the average.
Yeah.
Just shout out if you've got any issues, please. All right. Median. The median value is all of these really are what's called indicators of central tendency, the averages. The median value often gives a better indication of the general size of the set if the set contains extreme values. For example, if we take the set 7, 5, 74, and 10 and calculate the mean, that would be 24. But it's a little bit unrepresentative of any of the particular values in the set. So we can take an alternative value of central tendency, the median. And how we do that is we rank the set in ascending order. So we write them in the order from lowest to highest, as you've done here. Yeah. And then, highlighter, we've done here. And then the median equals the middle of the values. Because we've got an even number of values, we add 7 and 10 together and divide it by 2 to get the median of 8.5, which is a bit more representative of the general size of the values in that set, as a simple example. All okay?
Yeah, Fred's just been binned off, so he'll probably get a request in a minute.
Yeah, I've left the I'll turn the waiting room off so he'll come straight back in. That's a bit difficult for me to spot that while I'm trying to. So yeah, please shout if there's any problems. Just shout out, please. I am recording, so I would be able to look back. Okay, the third measure of central tendency is what's called the mode. A modal value or mode is the most frequently occurring value in the set. So if two values occur with the same frequency, the set is said to be bimodal. The set 5, 6, 8, 2, 5, 4, 6, 5, 3, as is shown there, has a modal value of 5 because 5 appears the most frequently 3 times. Okay, so that's a little bit of general revision around basic statistics, mean, median, mode. Fred come back yet? No, not yet, I don't think. Okay, so taking what I've just shown you, have a go at calculating the mean, median, and mode for the set shown on the screen. And I'll have a look and see if I've got any emails from Fred